This is Ben, and this is Caleb. And we are not Black Hat Studios, we are the Black Hat Brothers.
Yep, and today we have another trick shot video for you, so it's time to spin the wheel.
Spin that wheel.
Cheese ball. Cheese ball trick shots. All right, let's do it. This is the Black Hat flip up shot.
This is the blindfolded bullseye.
For the record, this is what Luke's gonna see.
Challenge time.
Hi, welcome to Dizzy Bat Cheese Ball Games with the Black Hat Brothers. Today we have a very special game. All of these different bats are available for use. You can pick whichever one you want, but don't foul or mess up because then you will be forced to use this super tiny one, which is not going to be fun. Basically, the rules are however many cheese balls you can catch right after spinning around a bat, getting super dizzy, you win the golden cheese ball. Greatest trophy in all of Cheese Ball Landia. First up we have Luke. Luke, what bat are you going to choose for your Dizzy Bat Challenge? Why did you choose that one?
Well, it's my favorite bat, and it also got me a home run against a really good player, so yeah.
All right, let's see how Luke's home run bat can fare here. He's gonna have to spin around it 5 times starting now, go. Cheese ball number 1. Oh, very close. Cheese ball number 2. Oh, cheese ball number 3. Oh, cheese ball number 4. Oh my goodness, cheese ball number 5. Oh, that was a bad throw on me. He does get one redo because I threw a bad throw. Cheese ball number 5. Oh! All right, Luke's total is 0. This is the 2-for-1 shot. Let's go! This next shot is a lot like when we did in our mini basketball trick shot video. Click right here to check that one out. This time we're going to do it cheese ball style.
This is the cheese ball chipper. This is the
3,
4,
1. Yes!
Okay, so since you did throw a bad throw,
Oh, that was a bad throw.
you have to use the mini bat.
All right, so you're using the penalty bat. Incredible. Go. There you go. All right, get ready. Here's the cheese ball. 2. 3. Oh, I'm throwing them high. Number 4. Hey, there we go. Number 5. Oh, all right. You got 2.
This is the Michael Scott.
This is it. I call it take 46 is when we're gonna get it.
This is the blow dryer bomb.
All right, I threw well, so I get to use whatever bat I want. And I want the tallest bat we have.
The Black Hammer.
It'll be the best.
All right, ready? Number 1. Oh, number 2. Oh, number 3. Oh, number 4. Oh, number 5. Oh, all right, we've done done all three. The results are in, and the winner is Ben.
I'm very grateful for this award. I've got some cheese balls.
And I've got a slingshot.
This is the cheese ball slingshot shot.
This is a cheese ball catapult. Hey!
These are the bloopers.
This is the blow dryer bomb. That one. All right, we'll see you next time. Have a great day. That was terrible.
Ooh, yeah. Dancing.
Hey, thanks so much for watching our video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe, turn on all notifications so that it lets you know every time we put out a new video. Hit the like button for us and make sure to tell all your friends, enemies, and anybody in between.
Yes, and if you watched our last video, you know that we had another Hidden Perry contest. The winner of that contest was
Steven
Jones.
And if you would like to try and win our next Hidden Perry contest, go to blackhatbrothers@gmail.com and send us a location of all 5 Hidden Perrys, and you just might get a shout out on our next video.
All right, I think that's all we have for you today. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.